life can knock you down so low that even when change comes, you still can't receive it and move in it, because you've been down so long that even when you are delivered, even when you are set free, even when the power of God have turned you around, somebody still have to help a brother up. Somebody still have to help a sister up. And what God need is some people who will not criticize, but they will give somebody a helping hand and tell them, now it's time to get up. The power of God has transformed your life. And I'm here to tell somebody that immediately this man that was publicly crippled, immediately this man that was publicly cast down, immediately this man that was walking for many years and in the same condition, someone have to take him to the gate. The Bible said they picked him up and he got up and he went into the temple and he was praising God. He was leaping, he was dancing, he was crippled before, but the next time they saw him, hallelujah, this man was dancing. Guess what, somebody? They saw you yesterday and you were crying, but today God picked you up. And the same people who saw you in a messed up state, in a messed up place, they will see you lifting your hands and giving God the glory, because power has hit your life. Somebody said, power has hit my life. God, somebody praise Jesus in this place, because there is power in this room. There is power to pick you up. There is power to turn you around. There is transforming power in this room right now. Somebody shout glory. Yes.